Welcome to Carolina Riverside by Del Webb, the latest 55 and over community offering a vibrant, resort-inspired lifestyle in Belmont, North Carolina. Nestled in the heart of the Carolina sunshine, this oasis is tailored to exceed your expectations, drawing inspiration from the region's scenic rivers and charming downtown Belmont. Crafted by Del Webb, renowned for providing beautiful homes, Carolina Riverside promises an idyllic haven for your next life chapter. In Belmont, relish the tranquility of suburban living while having easy access to a host of big city amenities. Sales for these exceptional homes commence in spring 2024, marking the beginning of an extraordinary living experience at Carolina Riverside.
Hello, I'm Steve Francis, Del Webb Division President for Charlotte, North Carolina, and I've proudly been part of this company since 2018. Carolina Riverside by Del Webb is a true hidden treasure. Nestled in the enchanting town of Belmont, North Carolina, and situated adjacent to the South Fork of the Catawba River, this community embodies Belmont's timeless allure. Spanning 462 acres, Carolina Riverside boasts over 138 acres of preserved tree-filled landscapes and open spaces, complemented by a stunning 3.5-mile stretch along the South Fork of the Catawba River. This canvas sets the stage for a unique, vibrant, active adult community featuring more than 800 single-family homes and 6.6 acres of resort-style amenities. We're thrilled to introduce Carolina Riverside by Del Webb, drawing on our 70-year legacy of crafting the finest active adult communities across America. I'm eager for you to discover more about our plans and understand why this community will stand out as a prime destination for active adults.
Hi, I'm Kelly Sides, Vice President of Sales, and I have been with the company since 2006. Carolina Riverside by Del Webb is your personalized paradise, a blend of Belmont's charming, small-town feel with convenient access to big city amenities. Proximity to top-notch hospitals, specialized healthcare, Charlotte Douglas International Airport, major shopping centers, and easy access to I-85 places Charlotte's diverse dining, sports, and entertainment scene right at your fingertips. Envision life at Carolina Riverside, a haven where residents thrive, coming together for social hours, casual dining, lively dinner parties, and relaxing in the clubhouse. Our dedicated on-site lifestyle director curates a vibrant calendar of events and daily activities, fostering new friendships and a rich social lifestyle. This community is designed for a life well lived. Anticipate a resort-style amenity center featuring a 19,000 square foot clubhouse, expansive indoor and outdoor pools, a fitness center equipped with a movement studio, a versatile community and activity spaces. Outside, discover bocce and pickleball courts, poolside grills, over 3 miles of scenic walking trails, and numerous outdoor spaces for spending time with friends.
Hey, I'm Chris Branham. I'm Director of Build Quality. At Del Webb, crafting your dream home is seamless, drawing from over 70 years of expertise in every Del Webb residence. Our homes embody an unmatched standard of excellence and meticulous attention to detail. Rooted in quality control measures, our building processes continually evolve through customer feedback, ensuring an exceptional experience tailored to you. Throughout the construction of your new home, our signature 10-step build quality process keeps you engaged, allowing you to witness firsthand the elevated craftsmanship that defines each residence, all reinforced by an industry-leading warranty you can trust. We're thrilled to channel our expertise into Carolina Riverside by Del Webb. Land development is in progress, and we've officially broken ground on our model park with anticipated opening of spring of 2024. This endeavor marks our commitment to bringing exceptional homes and unparalleled quality to life for you.
Hi, I'm Danielle Self, serving as the lead sales consultant at Carolina Riverside, and I've proudly been with the company since 2017. Within our model park, anticipate 6 professionally decorated model homes that beautifully showcase the endless design options available at Carolina Riverside. Our expertly managed design studio presents a wealth of possibilities, allowing you to personalize your dream home to perfection. We're excited to introduce 11 new home designs to the Charlotte market, spanning from 1,200 to over 3,500 square feet, along with options for 2 or 3 car garages. Your home layout and finishes can be tailored to your unique style and requirements, featuring gourmet kitchens, lavish bathrooms, adaptable living spaces, inviting outdoor areas, and spacious second-floor lofts. The excitement of building a new home lies in the opportunity to select the features that truly resonate with you, creating a space that mirrors your lifestyle. Our array of floor plans is crafted to align with your passions, whether that's culinary pursuits, hosting gatherings, accommodating visitors, or embracing new hobbies. Each home design is curated with your preferences in mind.
For those ready to embark on this thrilling new chapter, consider Carolina Riverside by Del Webb as your prime destination. Beyond offering exquisite homes, we provide a sense of belonging, and we're thrilled to unveil this new community destined to become your haven. To stay updated with the latest news about Carolina Riverside, join our VIP list at delwebb.com/Carolina Riverside.